So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get WP All Import Pro original WordPress plugin in just $4 with lifetime update. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website and I will tell you how to install it. Fill your details. Now you see after the payment will be done, you will get two files. The first one you see, this one is the main plugin file, and the second one is your add-ons file. Download both of this. Now it's done. Now we will install it. Add plugin, upload. Now this is not any crack or GPL type plugin, so that means if you purchase this plugin from us, then there you will get all the updates. You don't have to worry about any single update. It's activated. You see this, click on this. Now you see this, the pro version is activated, and you can also enable all the add-ons. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.